Welcome back to Car Riftar, the place where luxury meets precision and every review drives straight into the soul of the machine. Today we're exploring the absolute zenith of German opulence and engineering, the 2026 Mercedes-Maybach S-Class. A car that doesn't just transport you, it transcends you into another world. The 2026 Mercedes-Maybach S-Class is not just a car, it's an event on wheels. Starting with the exterior, this flagship luxury sedan exudes regal presence. From the moment it appears, the signature Maybach vertical grille finished in polished chrome draws your attention like a magnet. It's wider than before and now integrates a subtle lighting element that glows gently at night, a nod to the future while preserving its traditional identity. The body proportions are slightly elongated, boasting a total length of over 215 inches. The extended wheelbase guarantees presence with an emphasis on rear seat comfort. Chrome accents line the windows, door sills, and even the bespoke 21-inch forged wheels exclusive to the Maybach trim. The rear now features a redesigned taillight cluster with OLED technology offering customizable lighting patterns. There's even an illuminated Maybach logo projection when unlocking the vehicle at night. Subtle maybe not, but sophisticated absolutely. Step inside and the Maybach experience becomes fully immersive. New for 2026 is the Maybach Zen Suite, a cabin customization option offering fragrance diffusion curated by master perfumers, synchronized lighting and sound therapy, and quilted pillows designed in collaboration with a German luxury mattress brand. The ambient lighting now includes over 250 LEDs controllable in gradient transitions that adjust based on your mood, drive mode, or even time of day. The rear passengers, they're spoiled with twin 12.3-inch displays, individual MBUX controllers, and 4D Burmester sound systems that use vibrations and seat-integrated subwoofers to physically immerse you in your music or movie. Voice commands have reached a new level. Say, "Hey Mercedes, I'm cold," and the system doesn't just turn up the heat, that it adjusts your seat warm, activates a cozy lighting scene, and lowers the rear sunshade if it's evening. Under the hood, all this luxury lies serious engineering. The 2026 Maybach S-Class is available in two main variants. S584 Matic with a 4.0-liter bi-turbo V8 producing 510 horsepower and 700 Nm of torque. S684 Matic, which houses the 6.0-liter V12 engine delivering 621 horsepower and an earth-moving 1000 Nm of torque. Both variants are paired with a buttery smooth 9-speed automatic and Mercedes 4MATIC all-wheel drive system, which has been fine-tuned for smoother torque distribution in low grip conditions. Despite its size and weight, the Maybach S680 glides from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4 seconds, an impressive feat for a 5,300+ pound luxury sedan. But more important than numbers is how it feels. The PRE Safe Impulse Side system uses the car's active suspension to literally lift the vehicle by 3 inches in the event of a side collision to absorb more of the impact in the underbody. There are over 20 radar, ultrasonic and camera systems constantly scanning the surroundings. Even the door handles are programmed to resist opening if it senses incoming bicycles or traffic. And don't forget the Maybach exclusive rear seat airbags built into the backs of the front seats along with adaptive rear seat belts. At the end of the day, the 2026 Mercedes-Maybach S-Class isn't just a car. It's a sanctuary, a status symbol, a masterclass in engineering and indulgence. It's for those who don't just want luxury but demand it effortlessly. Whether you're in the driver's seat savoring the performance of the V12 or stretched out in the rear cabin sipping chilled champagne and basking in ambient tranquility, the Maybach delivers an experience no other sedan can match. That's it for today's review of the 2026 Mercedes-Maybach S-Class. Thanks for watching. Let us know in the comments, would you rather drive this masterpiece or be driven in it? Make sure to like, subscribe and tap that bell for more in-depth car reviews from Car Riftar, where luxury, performance and storytelling meet on the road.